joining us today. We're here at one of our local lakes, and it's our first time magnet fishing here. And I'll go through our setup for those of you who hadn't seen it before. This is our 250-pound pool magnet. We got 50 foot of braided nylon line on it. It's good for 900 pounds. This is our 150-pound magnet. Again, it's 50 foot of braided nylon line, and we hope to pull up something interesting and show you here shortly.
Hear that slap?
Yes, sir. Now, when I dove this out there, the little piece, there's a bunch of rocks. We will.
Third and final stop. Dad said there's an old swimming area down here. We're gonna go check it out and see what we got, what we're gonna get, and we got a few stuff, and we're gonna show you what we get here in a bit.
Here, I'll show you from the. Here, let's just take a picture down in the. That's a lag boat. We found various other pieces of hardware. Worst comes to worst, we can always start us a hardware store. Some of that stuff's good, some of it ain't. Show them the neatest things we found. Your big hook.
Here's the neatest one we found. The big hook.
Now, mind you, that's a gator hook, and we don't have gators here in Kentucky.
I don't know if that goes on your hat or what.
But I thought that was a pretty neat hook.
Yeah. We found a fluke.
Yep. Right there it is. And that's really what we found.
And we got one more thing. We got this.
Yes.
We really don't know what this is.
That's some kind of piece of cast. If you look at it.
If you know what it is, show us in the comment section down below.
See, it's some kind of cast iron.
Yeah. Don't really know.
But overall, I think our day's been a success, don't you?
Yeah.
Just leave it there. Look at me. Overall, I think our day's been a success, don't you?
Yeah.
It's been about 40 degrees, too cold to get in the water and actually treasure hunt that way. We're about froze out. What do you think of the pros and cons of this magnet fishing is?
The pros is you get to go outside, see nature, and you get I got to be with my dad. And the cons, make sure you wear gloves because it gets kind of cold outside. It's like 40 degrees, and it gets kind of wet. And that's about it. Well,
Elijah wants me to tell you what I think the pros and the cons are. The pros are you get to see nature, you get to come out and visit and see people. We had a lot of interesting encounters today. We had a game warden come up and want to know what we were doing. We had bass fishermen. They had a bass tournament out here, and one of them said, "Hey, can you find my motor toter?" So we got to try to find his motor toter. It was a real good way to meet people. Everybody was interested in what we had to do. And the best part was I got to spend time with my son and nature. This is something that you couldn't do sitting in the couch